Once you process your plums into delicious jam, do you look at the remaining stone pits and skins and wonder, what can I do with all of those? Well, in today's video, I'm here to show you one of the ways that we process our stone pits into a delicious plum stone glaze.
Welcome back to Homestead Living.
City Homestead Living.
Yep.
We're bringing a piece of country to your backyard is more than a motto. It is our way of life. Today's video, we are going to share with you how we take our plum stones and the remaining skins that are left after processing from making a delicious jam and our juice and turn it into what is called Plum Stone Glaze. This glaze is wonderful over most every meat, but mostly I use it on my chicken. It's awesome over roasted chicken or even in the crock pot. So stay tuned for today's video and I'll show you how. Finding yourself with a lack of time to process your stone pits? Then simply put them in a freezer bag, label them clearly, and put them in the freezer for later. But if you're going to process your stones today, simply put them into a pot for simmering. First, we're going to add our sugar. We will add 1 cup of sugar to our plum stones. Next, we will be adding a teaspoon of lemon juice, followed by a teaspoon of lime juice. Next, break out the vino because we're adding a cup of your favorite cooking wine to the mix. Last but not least, we're adding a cup of water. You can use anything you'd like. Next, mix together and simmer on medium heat for about 20 minutes. You will strain through a colander with large holes and ensure all of the liquid and even some of the plum skins have gone through to the final product. The only thing that should be left would be some fine residue on your plum stones when you're finished. Finally, it is time for us to store our wonderful glaze. This recipe uses about 3 to 4 cups of pits and we'll turn it into about 1.5 pints of glaze. And those are lids. Here's our names. Hand tighten them. You can jar it up. It will keep in the refrigerator for several months. Or you can use the traditional way of water bath canning and keep it for several years. Into the can. I can guarantee it won't last that long. And now, guess what's for dinner? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today for this short video. Be sure to like and subscribe, click that notification bell, and share our videos because it's so important to our family to help grow this community of like-minded people. And as always,
Happy homesteading adventures!